Hello friends, in this video, I will guide you to edit an autumn photo with natural light. In this photo took with natural light, you can see the sun's rays are very strong. And it creates a ray of light on the subject's body. And I see these trees are very red pregnant. So it can't show the autumn quality yet. Although the light is very strong, I can't see the sunlight because the sun is facing the other way. In this photo, we'll handle the following situation. Firstly, it makes the skin clear and bright. Second, I will adjust this red leaf color more brightly. And the third is being able to add a sun, as well as add a golden glow to this photo. Then first to edit this photo, I will create a new layer. I creates a new layer to control the photo. Now I will increase the contrast for the image. Make the photo brighter. I see, after I increase the contrast, the picture is brighter. Then I can also reduce the shadow a bit, giving the skin part it's brighter. You see before, after, I reduced a little, I reduced the opacity. Then with these actions, you will see. Before, after, my photo is much brighter. There is more contrast. Next, I will want to make this leaf redder. So to make the leaves redder, I merge this layer and I will choose a fine art color. Here I want yellow, red or brown, all is fine. Even the color of snow. For example, go yellow, then I click on yellow. I will see. The photo itself turned to yellow tones. Do you see? This leaf is yellow. However, this leaf is a red leaf, not a yellow leaf. So I will choose red leaves. Then I choose fine art, I choose red. I see red leaves. But it's a bit much, so I'll reduce it. You see it is around 40, then I will see that it is hidden in red. It's pretty and it's going to be even. However, it will apply to the subject, so I will reset the brush. Remove this red from the subject. So that your subject is not colored. And the grass. Then I wouldn't want this grass to be red. You can also whiten your skin. By that I merge the layer and I choose the skin, white skin 3. I zoom in, I brighten my subject's skin. This is before, after, do you see? Then I can smooth my skin too. By being skin, choose beauty skin. Then I will drag this frame to fit the subject's face. Then I press enter. Then at this point I will sweep into the skin, it will be smoother, here you see. This is before, after, do you see? Her skin is so much smoother. Then next I will merge all these layers together. Usually I will group this. Before, after. I'll liquefy, squeeze the groom stinger. Normally, I doesn't have much liquefy. I only deal with some parts that, for example, the groom will not like to be fat. I'm gonna squeeze this place a little bit. Then I can also squeeze a little bit for my hair. The bride's becomes a little more curvy. Just plain and simple. It's okay if this tree is curved, because it looks like it can't be straight. Next, I can add sun rays to this photo. By the way, I choose flare. I has a lot of flare, light ray models. However, in this situation, I will choose the one that is suitable as Sam finds this suitable. Then I will add. Zoom it out. I can also rotate this flare. Then you see when adding this flare, it will be very suitable. Because my photo here is with edge light. Okay. If I want to change the flare color, I click here and I choose to change. If not, here I will delete the border of this flare. I wouldn't want it to have a border on this side. Then it's just above. Then you can see that the photo has already made an impression. Before, after, it has turned red and has a ray of light. And here if wanted to give it a better fit. There is sunset. I will choose a sunset +1 here. Then the sunset plus here it will apply yellow to my photo. I see my photo now, it's more yellow. Before, After, it's much fresher. Then I only need the brush here. I subtract the skin about 50%. Because I doesn't want subject skin too yellow. Here, I choose the opacity to be 50%. Then I sweeps this part of the skin. Then I reduce on the skin part as 50%. You see before, after. Then I can also block for this photo. Dodge and burn, you choose burn. It's a bit light up here, so I will darken it a little bit. Just like the sun. Give your photos more depth. This part too, I can darken it too. To focus more on the subject. It is when bouncing that I increases the light, and now I reduces the dark. In the final, I will redo the different steps. Let me give the photo more focus on the subject. Then you can hit dodge. Go to some parts where you want it brighter. Before, you can see the image is a bit bright in the upper part. After, I focus more on the subject. Before, after. Then you see that with just a few simple steps, I has edited a very beautiful autumn photo. From a rather dark photo. And without the sun, not impressive. Then I edited a very impressive photo, in just a few steps with FineArt Secret.